Surprise! Welcome to Digital Today. Samsung S24s are coming early. What's in the October update? Today we have news that will surprise all Samsung Galaxy S24 users. Yes, you heard right. Samsung has released the October Android update early for its latest flagship. What's new in this update? Let's find out together. The October security update is now available on Samsung Galaxy S24, Galaxy S24 Plus, and Galaxy S24 Ultra in the United States with a firmware version ending in AXI1. The first thing that stands out in this update is the improvement in security. Samsung has included the October security patch, which fixes dozens of vulnerabilities. Your phone will be more protected than ever against threats like malware and cyber attacks. Samsung promised that it would update the top handsets in its catalog with the latest Android security patch as soon as possible, and, once again, the Korean giant is keeping its promise, as it has begun rolling out the latest Android security update, corresponding to the month of October, to its most current flagships, the Samsung Galaxy S24. But security isn't the only thing that's improved. Samsung has also optimized system performance. Apps will open faster, multitasking will be smoother, and you'll notice greater stability overall. And if you thought that was all, you're wrong. This update also brings some very exciting new features. For example, camera improvements, new AI features to improve photo quality, especially in low light conditions. Improved zoom options, allowing for sharper shots at greater distances. New photography modes, such as Night Portrait mode, which optimizes low-light shots. Interface improvements. Updates to One UI for a smoother and more efficient user experience. New accessibility features to improve usability. Optimized performance. Improved battery management to extend battery life during intensive use. Optimized processor performance for faster application launch. Now that you know all the new features, you'll want to update your Samsung Galaxy S24 as soon as possible. It's very easy. Just go to Settings, select Software Update, and download the latest version. In summary, the October Android update for the Samsung Galaxy S24 brings significant improvements in security, performance, and new features. If you own one of these phones, I highly recommend updating as soon as possible. A recent report from Sam Mobile confirms that Samsung has started rolling out the October 2024 Android update to carrier-locked variants of the Samsung Galaxy S24, Galaxy S24 Plus, and Galaxy S24 Ultra in the United States. As usual, this update is expected to expand to unlocked models in the US and variants in other regions around the world over the next few weeks. This new software build is coming to Samsung Galaxy S24s in the North American country with a firmware version ending in AXI1, which includes, as expected, the October 2024 security patch. This new Android security patch comes to fix a total of 42 vulnerabilities related to security and privacy, and of all of them, 12 affect exclusively Samsung Galaxy devices. Likewise, the October 2024 security patch also fixes a few general bugs present in the user interface, One UI, and improves the performance and stability of the three members of the Galaxy S24 series. Once this security update is rolled out to Galaxy S24, Galaxy S24 Plus, and Galaxy S24 Ultra devices worldwide, you can apply it to your device by following the usual steps: accessing the smartphone settings menu, going to the software update section, and clicking the download and install button. This new software update is limited to correcting security issues and does not include new features, since, as we told you a few days ago, the first stable version of One UI 7.0 with Android 15 will not arrive until next year. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell so you don't miss any updates. Thanks for watching this video.